Divine Collective, you are the truth. The whole truth. Okay? That is how we are starting out this reading. You are the truth. Divine protection and balance, healing, balance, and unseen support. Angels are standing guard, guiding you towards peace. Alright. So we have demons, and then on one side of the card I have friends, on the other side I have family. Demons. Okay? You are the truth. You've been protected from these friends, from this family who are demonic. I'm getting an escort, a prostitute, Divine Collective. What's this about, Spirit? An escort, a prostitute. Someone is saying that you can't be who you are, Divine Collective, that you can't be speaking the truth. You know, you can't be this loved by God because of your past. Someone here is trying to bring up your past, something you've done in your past, Divine Collective, whatever that may be. Okay? Here's the thing. You're ordained by God, by the Most High God, to be doing what it is that you're doing, whatever that is that God has called you to do. You are ordained, Divine Collective, and there's someone here that's trying to take that from you by creeping in and using some type of old wound of your past. You know, I'm picking up on a little promiscuity here, Divine Collective, but this is stuff that you've healed, you've worked past, that you are not ashamed of, okay, whatever that may be. You could have danced, Divine Collective. Whatever the case may be, nobody can judge you. This is between you and God. That's what you need to know, Divine Collective. If you don't know, that's what you need to know, okay? There's not anyone out there that can judge you. In fact, that was my very first tattoo when I was 18. It's on my back. It says, only God can judge me. I don't think you can read it much now, Divine Collective, but remember, only God can judge you, Divine Collective. So whoever this is, it's going to fail, right, Spirit? Fights, violence, arguments. Someone here wants you to argue. They want you out of this feminine energy that you're in, this divine feminine energy. They want you to fight. They want to cause an argument with you, Divine Collective. Something about your liver. They want you to be sick. They want you to overindulge. They want to torment you. You are the truth. I keep hearing you are the truth. Okay? You help others. You help others to awaken. You help others to free themselves, Divine Collective. A neighbor is of significance. A neighbor may have planted something in your yard here, Divine Collective. Whoever this neighbor is, they are extremely, I heard uneasy. They're feeling uneasy right now. Like they're thinking to themselves, what have we done? That's the type of feeling that I'm getting. They planted something. You may have recently put cameras on your house, Divine Collective, which has this neighbor kind of uneasy, nervous, because they know that you're on to them, or they know that you're picking up on something here. Maybe you didn't have cameras for a long time and you just recently went and got cameras, okay? Someone is traveling to a remote area here, trying to run from what they've done. The satanic elites. Spirit is exposing the satanic elite, saying that they're traveling to a remote area, trying to run. There's a lot of fighting here, violence, arguments that I'm picking up on, Divine Collective. Spirit says you are not wrong for outgrowing what no longer serves you. This is a problem that I have still now, Divine Collective. You know, knowing that I've outgrown certain people, certain things, but feeling like I'm wrong for walking away. You know, I've gotten better at that. I'm getting better each and every day. But there's just some people that you kind of just want to hold on to a little bit longer. I'm not going to sit here and hold you up, Divine Collective. I'm going to be as honest, very honest with all of you. Okay, there's just some people that it's harder and you want to hold on to a little bit longer. I just feel like that's part of your path, part of the lesson that you need to learn. If you're finding it harder to let go of a certain somebody, that's because there's a lesson that you still have to learn. I really truly believe that. Okay, I believe that everything is divinely as it is. Okay. Hidden enemies and spiritual manipulation in this reading. Someone accused you of foul activities while secretly operating in deceptive energy themselves, Divine Collective. You are different, okay? You are different here. These satanic elites, they're running. Spirit says their behavior reveals how weak they are. They're very cruel. Anesthesia. I'm getting anesthesia here. Cruel, heinous acts, anesthesia. Their behavior reveals how weak they are. Having a hard time letting you go, Divine Collective. These satanic elites, because you are different, Spirit says. There's a form of partnership here. Good news headed your way. In the last reading, I picked up on that in the very ending. A lot of you have these high vibrational unions coming in, headed your way, Divine Collective. Why? Why now? Because you've worked on yourself, and that's what you're calling in. That's what your energy is calling in. Now that you've healed and you've worked on yourself, that's why, Divine Collective. The universe is going to reciprocate what it is that you're putting out. It's very simple, okay? I'm getting a lost signal here. The Six of Swords is telling me that there's a lost signal, 6:58 on the clock. Moving beyond old turmoil, distance, no more access. Healing has made it much harder for old patterns to follow. Divine Collective, lost signal. The veil has been removed. For 2 days now, I keep saying the veil is extremely thin. Extremely thin. And I'll be honest in saying this, Divine Collective. Sometimes I say things, and if you ask me what I mean, I don't know. Okay? That's how my gift works. I don't always know what it is that I'm... This sounds funny, but I don't always know what it is that I'm talking about in that moment. It may take me a couple days for something to click, okay? But that's how my gift works. The veil has been removed here. Someone was having a hard time letting you go. I'm getting a lost signal. Spirit is saying that it's becoming more and more harder for old patterns to follow, okay? A loop. Exit the loop. Exit the loop, Spirit is saying. The veil is being removed, or is very thin. Like I keep saying, Divine Collective, someone's plan is losing momentum, or it has lost momentum. The Wheel of Fortune is here. Heads up, stay focused, Divine Collective, okay? Because their plan is losing momentum within the Wheel of Fortune. Exit the loop, Spirit is saying. They're trying to get us to loop here. They want us to keep looping. The Hermit is here. Spirit said the Hermit is especially meaningful. Divine Collective, you've gained insight through reflection, experience, and healing, Spirit is telling me. You're less interested in noise and more interested in truth. Continue staying focused here. You are the truth. Someone's plan is losing momentum. They want us to loop, Divine Collective. They want us to keep looping here. Some type of lost signal. By losing a signal, didn't they just shut that thing down, CERN? And I tried doing research on that, but Spirit blocked it, Divine Collective. Spirit said it's not the time. I was so very interested in figuring out what is CERN. Everyone's talking about it. But again, it wasn't time for me to. Spirit was like, no, it's not the time. So when I tried tapping into it, I understood nothing about it. And I know when I do that, that's Spirit's way of saying it's not your time to understand. Divine Collective, it's like another language. This is how my gift works as well. If it's not the time for me to speak on it, I'll look at it and it will be gibberish, okay? I can't make sense of it. Spirit says you've dodged a bullet here. Something about lost signal in that machine, that CERN machine, wanting us to loop, Divine Collective. Stay